थैंक यू डियर चिल्ड्रन। आज का जो प्रोग्राम था टीचर्स डे का, वो हमेशा मुझे याद रहेगा, मतलब मेमोरेबल वन। रीज़न बीइंग आप लोग इतने टेक सेवी हो गए हो और इतना अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन कर लेते हो, वो इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द क्लासेस, राइट फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 1 टिल स्टैंडर्ड 9, सबने इतने अच्छे से कोऑर्डिनेशन में ये प्रोग्राम किया। एंड जो आप लोगों ने ग्रैटिट्यूड टीचर्स के लिए जो दिखाया, वो इज़ रियली रिमार्केबल। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कन्वे माई सिंसियर थैंक्स टू द पेरेंट्स, जो कि इस टाइम पर ट्रूली बच्चों के साथ मिलकर उनको फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट। एंड आई डोंट नो when this pandemic situation will get over and when the kids are gonna come to the school. So we are also waiting for that particular day. लेकिन बच्चों, keep up the good work going. इसी तरीके से आप कॉन्फिडेंट बनो, यही हमारी आप लोगों के लिए प्रेयर्स हैं और विशेस हैं। एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली बच्चों, आपने जो भी वीडियोस बनाकर, जो भी अपने थॉट्स आपने अपने टीचर्स के लिए जो बताए हैं, बहुत अच्छे थे। वो लग रहा था कि आप वो यू आर ट्राइंग टू यू से इट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट एंड इट वाज रियली वेरी नाइस। वो इतना अच्छा गिफ्ट आपने टीचर्स को दिया है, इससे टीचर्स भी बहुत मोटिवेट होते हैं। सो थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू
माय डियर चिल्ड्रन। सो इट गिव्स मी इमेंस प्लेजर टू टेल यू how well you have prepared those videos for the teachers. I'm so very grateful for each and every gesture and feeling that you have shared in those videos, whether it is a card, whether it is a flower for the teacher, and the kind of words that you have used for the teachers. So thank you so much. You are there, and that is the reason we all are here to do better and better work. Thank you so much.
Dear students, a teacher gets all the energy and encouragement from the students who make them feel like angels. You did the same, my dear bachchas, by sending us beautiful and lovely wishes on Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for making us feel special. We are proud of you. Keep smiling, stay safe, and keep on working and make us feel more and more proud by achieving your goals. Thank you.
Dear children, thank you so much for sending the lovely wishes. It was really amazing to hear from you all on Teachers' Day. Yeah, I know you all thank us every day, but you made our day special yesterday on our Teachers' Day. Thank you so much, dear children. Keep smiling.
Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. This video is specially to thank you to all my dearer and dearest students who step up and organize such a wonderful super duper program on the occasion of Teachers' Day. We really enjoyed the performances and the twisty tongue twister. Thank you for making our day special. My best wishes from the bottom of the heart to all of my dear kids. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Hello children, how are you all? Today I saw your messages for me and I'm so happy to hear your messages for Teachers' Day. You wished me. I'm so happy. Thank you for your lovely wishes, children. Thank you very much.
Thank you dear children for making our day so special. Thank you once again.
Hello dear children, I am very glad to hear the messages from you all. Thanks a lot for wishing us the Teachers' Day, and some people really deserve more than a thank you, and you all deserve a special place in my heart, always and forever. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love.
Hi all, I received your messages. You made Teachers' Day wonderful. Thank you all.
Hello dear children, today we have got lots of wishes from your side, and thank you so much for making our day so special. Teachers are there because of you. Your love gives us strength and happiness. So thank you so much.
Hello Stepians. Wow, wonderful. Thank you. These words, I really feel small today. Children, we are blessed to have you all as our students. Heart is filled with joy and pride in seeing each and every one of you in a bouquet of amazing and unique flowers. Thank you all for your love and respect you give us. Thank you all and have a nice day.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आपने हमारे लिए आज का शिक्षक दिन जो एक स्पेशल बनाया है उसके लिए सबको दिल से थैंक यू। क्योंकि जैसे हर एक किसी को कुछ न कुछ करना काम करने के लिए एक एनर्जी बूस्टर चाहिए होता है, वैसे ही एक एनर्जी बूस्टर का काम आपने हमारे लिए किया है। उसके लिए दिल से हम सब की तरफ से धन्यवाद।
Dear Stepians, oh, I'm so overwhelmed with emotions today. I don't have words to express my happiness. You know, the best part of being in this profession is that one can always remain in the hearts of my dear students. Thank you for showering love and affection and for the fantabulous show which you all have put up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear children, for your lovely wishes. The program was also excellent. You made our day. Thank you.
Dear students, thank you so much for all your best wishes. I am overwhelmed with all your lovely and beautiful messages. We are all teachers because we have all you students. Thank you so much for all your wishes, and you are all the best gifts that we could ever have.
Student for sending me best wishes on Teachers Day. Thank you.
Wow and thank you are two powerful magical words. That is all I can say to all the lovely Stepians for the wonderful efforts which put up by each one of you to make this event successful. Being new to the institution, I have already started loving the efforts put by each one of you, be it our teachers or our lovely kids. Thank you so much, as I am highly obliged by the love and respect showcased by you all in the event.
Dear students, thank you so much for all the efforts you have taken to make Teachers' Day celebration a grand success. We teachers are overwhelmed with all the love you have shown to us. Thank you so much and lots of blessings.
Dear student, thank you so much for your best wishes on Teachers' Day. I am very grateful to get your heartwarming wishes from all of you. I am very thankful to you all, my dear children. Thank you.
I would like to thank each and everyone who makes our Teachers' Day special. Very special. Teachers' Day is one of the best days in the teacher's life. You all kids are always come up with something special for us. We all teachers are very lucky to have a great student who makes our day very special. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you all. Bye.
Dear all Stepians, thank you so much for your lovely wishes. Your wishes made me happy and thank you on the Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Vielen Dank, meine Liebe Schülerinnen und Schüler.
Dear students, thank you so much जो आप लोगों ने एफर्ट दिखाया टीचर्स डे पे और उसको स्पेशल बनाया, वो काबिल तारीफ है. Thank you once again and God bless you.
Thank you so much, my dear students, for celebrating Teachers' Day with your great efforts and fill my heart with your lovely wishes. Thank you so much.
Dear children, I would like to thanks to sending us a lovely wishes on Teachers' Day, and you have done a very well program on Teachers' Day. Thank you. God bless you.
Stepians for your lovely wishes, and also thank you for all efforts you have taken to make Teachers' Day celebration wonderful.
Hi बच्चों, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो मजामा? मैं शर्मा। आपने जो 5 सितंबर को टीचर्स डे के दिन जो बड़ा सा प्रोग्राम किया और हमें इतनी खुशी थी कि हम आपसे बयान तक नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए बड़ा वाला थैंक यू सो मच।